What up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see by the title, I'll be installing this Tomei white pipe. This thing is mad light, stupid light. So yeah, I mean I got a good deal on it, so I picked it up. I'm already selling my old one, so yeah. So I'm gonna jack the car up. Hopefully this rain don't catch me. Jack it up and take it off real quick. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so I got the old one out, and as you heard the sound clip, that was the sound clip with this one. Now I'm gonna put the Tomei, get a little sound clip on that. First I'm gonna take off this old gasket first. Yeah, take that off first and then do a little sound clip on it. Alright guys, so it's a couple hours later because it finally finished raining, so I finished up. White pipe is on. I put a bunch of, gasket sealant for the exhaust, make sure I have no leaks. Yeah, I put a lot. I always do that just for the leaks. But yeah, it's on. You guys saw the clip before this one of the clip with the still-in, and then yeah, the next clip after this will be with the Tomei. And yeah, pretty much it guys. That's it for this video. I'm gonna do an install video on a white pipe. There's so many videos of that. I just wanted to give you guys a little clip. So it's ISR long tube headers, Tomei white pipe, and Tomei catback. Pretty much it for this video guys. So you guys have a good one.